Welcome back everyone, and today is shortwave radio antenna install day. This is an N-feed EF SWL HF N-feed receive antenna, as you can see, and this is the parts list, and this is what the unit looks like. It's a 45-foot wire, and the transformer's there of course. And I'm hooking it up today in a sloper kind of a position, which means one end is lower and one end is going to be higher. So we're going to go outside now and have a look, see what we're going to do. So first things first, we need a place to hook up to. And here's a juniper tree. That juniper is about 30 feet at the top. And we're going to connect it to the eave of the house. So looks like this eave is about 8 feet to the top here. So it's going to be 8 feet on this side and probably about 20 feet on the other. Okay, here we have the install here. The cable's on the top here and it's just tied off to the eave. I'll give you a rough picture of what that looks like there now. I'll zoom out and just put this down there as a temporary hook here. So we got it mounted to the drop board, the eave board there, and we're using parachute cord on the inside, tied off. That parachute cord will last a long time. And we got the wire strung out there now. We're going to go and get it up in the tree. Lots of bushes, lots of branches I should say, cut off to make room for the wire. Got to get that ladder up there. So I'm about 20 feet into the tree, and I got the pulley hooked up. I'm using a strap, tie-down strap, cut off with some turnbuckles put onto it, and got it wrapped up, and a rope down here as a counterbalance. Okay, alright, now you can see the counterbalance rope, the parachute wire, cable, or whatever you want to call it. Parachute rope is coming down from the pulley at the top end of the tree. And I got it running down to here on a spring and tied into this limb. And this will act as a counterbalance. And there's a bit of strain on here now. And I'll show you the cable, how taut it is. There's an adjustment here, by the way, for more tension. Had to do a bit of limbing, of course, to make the wire and everything clear, and the counterbalance parachute cord coming down the tree had to be clear so it wouldn't get chafed and onto that spring, which can be tensioned. There's probably about 20 pounds of torque on it now, maybe 15, 20 pounds. So anyway, there's the wire. It's on the pulley, so it's, when the tree moves, the spring will tension out a bit. And it's always focus to the eave of the house, 45 feet. So basically, made up a 50 ohm cable. It's just ran temporary into the radio room, the radio shack. And so it's a 50 ohm cable with PL259 on the ends. And she's ready to rock. I'm going to come out and tape this up, keep it out of the weather. Especially the connections, as you can see. And looks like I got about close to 20 feet over to that tree. That's about as high as I could get with the ladder, because the ladder only goes out to 16 feet. Anyway, that's the N-feed shortwave antenna.